Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. So we continue with the second part of the lesson. In the previous video, I have shared with you the exercises. Make sure you listen to this video first before you proceed with the exercises because you have to know how to find the area and a perimeter of a triangle as well. Okay, so previously we learned about how to find the area of a rectangle and perimeter of a rectangle. So for this lesson, we are going to learn on how to find the area of a triangle and the perimeter of a triangle. Okay, so during your primary years, you have learned how to find the area of a triangle, but usually your triangle is just a right angle triangle. Okay, so it's just like this previous lesson. Okay, it's just like something like that. Okay, but when you go to year 7, we have a different form of a triangle. We have a different shape of a triangle. Okay, triangles can be in not just in that shape. Okay, so it can be in this shape as well. So now we want to find what is the general formula on how to find the area of a triangle. Okay, so in finding the area of triangle, usually you will be given the length of the base. So B here is just the base, and you will be given one of the side and then the height. Okay, so H is the height, B is the base. Okay, so the formula of finding the area of a triangle is 1 over 2, okay, times B times H. 1 over 2 times the base times the height. Okay, so this is the tricky part here that you need to remember. The height of your triangle must always be perpendicular to the base. Must always be perpendicular. Okay, this is your height. This is not your height because A is slanted a bit. Okay, cannot be considered as your height. Height must be perpendicular. So usually in exam, you will be given this value, you will be given this value, you will be given this value. Okay, so the question will give you 3 values, but you only will be using B and H. So you just ignore A. Okay, so the question it's like tricky a bit lah. Okay, it's gonna be a tricky bit because you will be given 3 values, but then you only use 2, B and H. Okay, remember the height here must be perpendicular to the base. Okay, so now example, if I have one simple triangle shape like this. Okay, let's say I put this is 3, this is 5, this is 4. Okay, so the formula of finding the area of a triangle, area is just 1 over 2 times base times height. Okay, so it's very clear which one is the base. Base is just this one, which is 3. Okay, base is very easy to see, base. Okay, so which one is your height? 4 or 5? Remember I mentioned just now, height must be perpendicular. So between this line and this line, which one is perpendicular to the base? Which one is perpendicular? Which one makes 90-degree angle with the base? That line, right? This side. So therefore, this is your H. So to find the area, that is just 1 over 2 times 3 times 4. You press your calculator, you will get 6. Okay? Okay, I forgot to mention the unit. If let's say it's given in terms of cm, everything is in terms of cm. So, like we did just now, the area is 6 cm square because cm times cm, you have cm square. Okay, so let's say I have one triangle with this shape. And then I have 6 cm here. Let's say I have here which is 5 cm. Okay, and then given to me that this is maybe 4 cm. So how do we find the area of this triangle? Remember, the formula of an area of a triangle, area equals to 1/2 times base times height. Okay, so now which one is the base? So this is your base. Okay, this is your base, which is 6. Okay, now the next thing is which one is your h? Which one is your height? Which one is your height? Okay, so it's either 4 or 5. Which one is your height? Okay, remember I mentioned just now, height must always be perpendicular. Height must always be perpendicular to your base. This is your base. So this is the perpendicular line to the base. So your height is 4 cm. So according to the value, that is just 1/2 times 6 times 6. Okay, and then times 4. Okay, so you just calculate that, you will get 12 cm square. Okay, settle. Okay, remember, okay, the formula will not be given again in exam, so you need to remember. Rectangle just now, just A times B. For triangle, it's 1/2 times base times height. Okay, need to remember, height must always be perpendicular to the base. Okay, next thing is the perimeter of a triangle. Okay, remember perimeter, we just add all sides. Just add all sides. Okay, given that if that is A, that is B, that is C, and given that that is your H. Okay, perimeter is addition. Is the addition of the sides. So you just add all A plus B plus C. Do you need to add H? No. Why no? Because H is the inner line. We just add all sides, not the inside thing. Okay? A plus B plus C. So this is very easy. For example, if I have this triangle, given that this is 3, this is 4 cm, okay? cm, cm, and then this is 5 cm. What is the perimeter? Perimeter, remember, you just add all sides. 4 plus 5 plus 3. So you will get 12 cm. Okay, if we change the shape a bit, something like that, maybe that is 7 cm. That is maybe 6 cm. And then here I put 8 cm. Okay, so what is the perimeter now? Perimeter, you just add all. That is just 8 plus 7 plus 6. So you will get 21 cm. Okay. Okay. So remember, perimeter you add all. For area, that is the formula. Okay, so if possible, I think you have the book, so can you please jot down the what and with, and then you do these notes, copy the example questions, and I want you to do the exercise. Do inside your book, do inside your exercise book. Okay, can I just show again the exercise here? Okay, this one, okay, copy the exercise, copy, and then do inside your book. Okay.